What does a bad piston looks like? As we can see, this piston has burned through due to a lean fuel mixture. This was caused by too much air and prolonged engine operation under those conditions. We can also see heavy wear on the piston skirts on both sides. Additionally, there is a noticeable play in the piston pin. So this piston is completely destroyed.